Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. How to reduce construction cost of house. I used many techniques to reduce construction cost of house, but I never seen that before, which I'm showing you in this practical video. As you can see, this is a contractor and he wants to reduce the construction cost of house. This is the beam. Depth is 9 inches, width is 6 inches. But here you can't see any steel rod. Without steel rod, they provided the beam. Look at here, guys. If you see, this is the opening for the door. They didn't provide the beam because he wants to reduce the construction cost of house. Look at here. This is the other opening. You can't see the beam. Inside the beam, you cannot see any steel rod. Without steel rod, you can see the beam is provided. If you come to its column, they used here 4 steel rods, which dia is 10 millimeter. Look at here. So let me show you something new. You can see the alignment. Look at here. From here you can see this is not straight. Everything is wrong here in this house construction. When you come here, so this is opening for the washroom. You can't see the beam without steel rod. You can see the lapping to overlap one steel rod to another to extend the length of the height of a column. You can see clearly everything. So guys, I used many techniques. I don't know what is the ratio of the beam for this concrete, but maybe it's 7.5. Maybe at 7.5. You can see everything. You can see everything. You can see, guys. Now let me show you. You can see. Only in this beam he used 2 steel rod, but this is the column. You can see 6 millimeter or 5 millimeter dia of steel rod in column. 4 steel rods. Totally 2 steel rods at the bottom just for this beam. I don't know why he provided in this beam 2 steel rods, but in other beams he didn't provide. And guys, I asked from someone here. He belong from here. He said this is 2-story domestic house. You can see. I never seen it before, like this kind of construction in my life. Maybe you're also the first one. So if you want to follow the techniques how to reduce the construction cost of house, so use these techniques, so inshallah you will be happy from your construction. Otherwise, poor construction. I never seen that before in my life. Very poor construction. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.